Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX does quite a nice performance at the moment. It's currently following our wave count. It also reached the target that we talked about in the last video for this third wave. Remember that we measured the length of the wave 1, we went to the low of the wave 2, and we talked about 2027 as a minimum target for a third wave. It's now reached a 200% extension, and it looks currently like a bit of a wave 4 consolidation here. So it could already be this wave 4. And then we should get a 5 afterwards in a larger 3, 4 and a 5, and it should cascade higher without deep retracements, but only really if we are in a heart of a third wave rally. Yeah, because eventually what we're looking for, and I need to change the wave degree of this one here. So let me just tidy that up a bit. But yeah, I mean, it's on a good way. Micro level count, not entirely clear, but I would rather say that this is a reasonable count that we have on the chart now. With this yellow third wave being complete now, because we reached target, we've got enough waves. Absolutely, we've got enough waves. This here is some kind of a diagonal in the beginning, right, of this third wave. Could also be that this third wave is still in the making, but that doesn't really matter so much for the overall progress and also from a trade management point of view. We talked over the last few weeks about nothing else than a breakout here to the upside for AVAX, and the trend reversals. Anybody who had any entries here should be nicely in profit now. So really anything you need to do now is manage risk. Yeah, that's all. And if this is a real third wave rally, then we're talking about targets for that larger third wave, which is related to the movement of the December low, because this is eventually the larger pattern that started end of December, and the other waves we just looked at are just happening within that. So a target for that larger third wave in orange, I mean, here we talk about at least $32 minimum. So these here should all sort of cascade higher in the same way. And I think looking at the proportions, I think that would actually work out quite well. At least it's not unrealistic. So that's sort of how the roadmap should ideally play out. And then we should get a 4 and a 5 in orange. So it should cascade a bit higher, but we take it level by level. Yeah? At some point these structures will break, but as long as they don't break, they can be traded. And obviously here the train has left the station as it seems. Let's see how far we get in this train. First warning, so what is the level against which we can focus on higher? So the relevant level for me is this wave 2 low. This is absolutely critical. This is relevant support at 1726, but you can also use the Fibonacci levels. Yeah, so a break below the 50% fib level is a first warning that things are coming down. That would be a break below, a sustained break below $19.20. Ideally we want to avoid that. So a sustained break, that doesn't mean if we go to 1919 it will break down, but it means, you know, a sustained break, basically breaking it and consolidating below it. That would indicate that this pattern is breaking down already, unfortunately earlier than expected. So for now it's following, however, the uptrend. It's pushing this move up from yesterday. Looks like third wave, but yeah, environment is rather uncertain. I mean, for me, it's a bit like, you know, I think I did buy in that green support area here a few weeks ago down there. So I just let it run now, see what happens, because the potential is certainly there. I mean, this could now go to $32 next, right, over the coming weeks or months, so not in a straight line. But yeah, the levels should now be clear, $19.20, and then the real relevant level for invalidation is around $17.28. All right, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.